Hello you guys, it's Naturally Marked here. A lot of you guys have given me compliments on my nails, so I thought I'd do a full tutorial from start to finish on how I paint my nails. Just a quick disclaimer, I am not a professional. This is the way that I like to do my nails, so I'm just sharing with you guys. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So I just want to show you guys what my nails look like with no polish on it, no oil on them, and just what my nails really look like raw before I start the process. And also there is no layover on my nails. They're all natural. So you guys, I'm just showing you the brand name that I get, that I use for my nails. It is a LED lamp. I use the Sensational kit from Walmart, and it runs about $14 with tax. And today I will be using the color Nude Mode. Now when you guys purchase the kit from Walmart, you'll be provided with a couple of things inside the kit: a gel base and top coat, a color, a gel primer, a stick. So I use a cotton ball and also hand sanitizer, and I'll show you guys how I use that. And I also believe the kit comes with a nail buffing filer in it and also a regular nail filer, but I don't use either one of those. I do not buff or sand the top of my nails down. So I do have my own fingernail filer just to shape my nails. The kit comes with its own LED lamp and instructions, so please follow them. These are my nails raw, my left and my right hand, just to show you guys that my nails are not perfect, but I'm going to paint my left and my right hand for you guys. So now I'm going to take a little bit of that hand sanitizer, put it on the cotton pad, and wipe the top of my nails off so I can remove all the oil. The salon use fingernail polish remover to remove all the oil off your cuticles, but I do not like the smell of fingernail polish remover, so that's why I use hand sanitizer. And they also use alcohol to remove the oil off your nails and your cuticles, but I also don't like to use alcohol because it's harsh and it dries out my fingernails. So I just like to use hand sanitizer and it works perfectly. So I'm going to start with the gel primer and just coat my fingernails with the nail primer, and then I'm going to follow it up with the instructions. I do follow the instructions, you guys, so I'm going to use the nail primer and then stick my nails under the LED light. So you guys, I am not a professional. I just paint my nails the way that I paint my nails. So I can't really teach or tell you guys any neat tricks or anything, but I just take my time and paint my nails. I try not to get it on my skin, but I am not perfect. But now I am painting with my non-dominant hand. I wanted to show you guys my left and my right hand. So right now I am painting with my left hand, and the nails that I'm painting is on my right hand. So I'm painting with my non-dominant hand. So now that I've used the LED light and sealed the primer in there, I'm going to go in with the gel base and top coat to coat the top of the primer. So I will have to warn you guys, if you're heavy-handed like I am, I just had to learn that the top and base coat is really liquidy, so a little of this stuff goes a long way. I like to start in the middle, then I work from the left side, and then I like to swoop around to the right side, and I really try not to re-dip my brush in the product. So I just like to give my brush a twist to use the other side because there's still polish on the opposite side of the brush, just so I don't use too much product and it runs on my skin. So once again, I'm showing you guys how I'm painting with my non-dominant hand. The top and base coat polish for my non-dominant hand. After I finish with the base coat, I will stick my hands under the LED light again. And really quickly, when I'm doing the primer and the base coat in the first color of whatever color I'm using, I always paint both hands and then I stick one hand into the light and then I stick the next hand into the light. Then I will go back over them with painting once again. So I will put one hand under the light, then I will stick the other hand under the light, following right after. So this is my first coat of the nude mode polish, and when I'm doing lighter colors like this, it always seems a little streaky the first coat, but I had to learn to not go back in with a second dip of the brush. Just let it be a little spotty, because when you go in with the second layer of polish after the light, all the spottiness and some of the see-through areas will disappear after you do the second coat. So just to let you guys know, I have not sped up any of the painting process of it. This takes me a full 45 minutes, but I am painting in real time right now. I did not want to speed through this so you guys can get a full visual of how I paint my nails and how I take my time. If you guys like this video, just let me know down in the comment section and I will put up more videos. I also kind of do some designs around the holidays on my nails, so just let me know. So now that I got the top coat done for my left hand, I'm just going to go in with my non-dominant hand and show you guys the color for my non-dominant hand. Now I will tell you guys, doing this with shorter nails, you will only get about a week worth of nail polish. It will not chip, it will just peel completely off. But I think that it only peels off like that because I don't sand nor buff the top of my nails down. But with my longer nails, I noticed that I do get a full week and 6 days out of my nails. But the shorter nails will peel before the longer nails ever peel. I will have to say, you guys, I love this brand a lot. It does not chip. So this is what it looks like with the first coat. And now I'm going to stick it under the light to give my nails the second coat. Now, if you guys notice what I said at the beginning, how you can kind of see spottiness, but now I'm going in with that second coat and all the spottiness is going away. It's just one smooth color, and now I like to cap it off with that last top coat of fingernail polish. I am going to continue painting the second coat on my hands, and I'm going to cap it off at the top. Capping the top prevents your nails from chipping on the end, so I just like to cap the top with a little bit of the leftover polish on the brush. So now that the top coat, the second top coat is done, I'm going to immediately put my nails under the LED light. So for the second coat, I always immediately put my nails under the LED light, and then I will go in with the second coat on my non-dominant hand. I feel like this sets the second polish a lot better, and it doesn't have to sit on top of all the fingernail polish and risk the chance of ruining my nails. So I just like to set that second coat inside. So this is what my nails are looking like after the second coat of nail polish, after I've set the nail polish, and now I have to go in with the top coat to seal it all in. And this is going to ensure that your nail polish is not going to chip. And after I put the top coat on there, I'm going to stick my nails underneath the light immediately before I go and do my non-dominant hand. So I'm going to go in and do my non-dominant hand with the top coat. And after I'm done with the top coat and letting the LED light set it in, I like to go on with my hand sanitizer and get the tacky, sticky feeling off the top. If you guys have ever did the LED light or shellac nails at the salon, they use alcohol at this point to remove the sticky feeling on your nails. And the hand sanitizer acts as an alcohol pretty much. So this is what I like to do. Let me know if you guys really like this video. Please let me know down in the comment section and give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and this is pretty much the end result. Thank you guys so much. Bye.